Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how can you earn money from Pinterest 1000 to 3000 USD do affiliate marketing at Amazon. So let it be enjoyed and you will get very important video from me and your income will be double. It's one kind of passive income for everyone. So first of all, you have to apply at Amazon affiliate program. After approval, you will get affiliate link. Then you can marketing here. So we can start and subscribe my channel and see the full video. You will get a lot of things. First, you have to go Amazon.com. After that, you must be apply at become an affiliate. This option. After fill up all the your information, then you will get approved. After that, you will see like me dashboard. Let me show you. This type of dashboard you will see after approval. Okay. You saw that 56 clicks, 56 clicks today. It's all about free marketing at Pinterest. So after approval, you will see this type of dashboard. So how can we start free affiliate marketing? Now we have to go at Pinterest.com. This is my Pinterest page. This is one kind of business page. You must be converted from personal page to business page. When you opened a Pinterest account, you will see your account was personal account. After that, you must be converted to business account because business account has several important things which have getting more sales day by day. So now we have to post new today. My niche is pets. This is my niche. You have to must specify one kind specify the one kind of niche which you are working because a lot of niche you cannot work. If you select a special niche, then you will get more sales. Now we have to post. Go to the create pin option. After that, you have to go Amazon.com. Let me show Amazon.com. You can go there. So here at the corner, you see today this option. Go to there. After that, a lot of niche is here. So my niche is pets. I have to choose niche. Now we have to choose a special niche which I selected. So my niche is pet. I have to go there. After that, I have to choose one product which is very sells day by day. So let me do keyword research, but I don't have time. So let me choose one product randomly. I selected this product. After that, I have to copy this title and go to the value title this option. After that, here also. So here red mark here. I have to shorten this title. Okay. Then I have to download one pictures. So let me download these pictures. You must be edited about Pinterest criteria pictures. Here guideline C. You will see the guideline after uploaded picture. You have to see 1000 pixel into 1500 pixel. You must be follow this criteria because of you getting more traffic. So for due to limited time I uploaded it. After that you must be add order text. This is very important text which you get drive sales more. So where you'll see where you will get this text, first you have to copy this text. After that go to this option, this website. You must be save this because these are very popular text. So let me paste here. After that if you want which country you want, you just put it here. I need USA traffic. So I just selected this and go to the find step. Every country has which niche you want, just selected this country. Okay, according to your niche. After that, I have to paste add this option. So here you have to put Amazon affiliate link where you will get this link. The corner, product corner, you will see the link, Amazon link, copy from here, and don't touch here because of don't put direct affiliate link here. You must be convert with the shortened link because if you directly paste here, you will get blocked account because they don't save this type of try to this because your account will be blocked. Printers don't accept any direct affiliate link. So you must be convert this link. You must be convert this link at the shortener URL. So I use this shortener URL always because it's always safe. So you must be convert your test here and get shorted. Just copy and go to this Pinterest and here test here. So all okay. This post is ready for the publish. So we can now publish here. You can earn more money to apply this method because I got means more sales. This account new, that's why you don't see any income. My previous website, I got a lot of income from Pinterest by this method. So daily you must be post at least 5. As selected must be specify the niche. Don't forget all niche. Just specify the niche which you want to want. You will get more sales. So I hope today's video is very helpful for you and you will get more sales. So follow my video. So subscribe my channel and I will keep updated latest video and you will get a lot of traffic sources from me because I am very expert at affiliate marketing since 2008. So for today, well, thank you everyone and enjoy this video.